What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video on the Immutable X or the IMX token. I wanted to do a full video on that since it's been so volatile and so bullish. I mean, if you take a look at the top 100 right now, it's in the top 5 gainers. It's up 30%. Volume is around $152 million. So it's been very bullish. So I just wanted to get into what's happening, what you can expect. Can we continue this rally all the way up to 1.4? Those kind of questions. So that's what we'll do. So let's get right into it. We'll also talk about some fundamentals because we have to. There's some, as I said in the thumbnail as well, there's some big news coming for Immutable X, I think in the next 6 days or something. So we'll talk about all of that. Apart from that, if you want to receive daily trading signals, such as this beautiful short trade yesterday on IMX, very risky, but it was beautiful. Then check out the links in either the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find out how to join and also results and proof that this was, for example, one of the trades. But all right now, if we take a look at Immutable X, before we talk about the fundamentals, what you can see is that we're struggling with this orange line, which is, I'm not going to show you where that comes from, but it's a very strong Fibonacci level. And then it's also in this resistance level around 1.25. So that's our main resistance right now. Very strong. You can also see that we have not managed to break above that. Essentially what we want to do is we want to break above, let's say 1.27. We want to break above that. We haven't done that in a very long time, because if we do that, we'll continue the bull run. We'll continue the rally up to our next resistance around 1.4. And then from there, we'll see again. I will definitely keep you updated on IMX if we stay bullish like this. But this is essentially what we want to do. Now, is it possible? Yes, there's a lot of bullish momentum in the market. And EMX yesterday, well, not yesterday, about 7 hours ago, came with this news. Here you can see the biggest token utility upgrade in history is coming. They do know how to hype up a project. So this is coming, and you can see that two of, we can only guess these are 4 upgrades. Oh yes, 4 upgrades. And 2 of those are coming in the next 6 days, in 5 days and 10 hours. But if you just go to their Twitter, Immutable, you can actually check out the link themselves. It's also on immutable.com and then the token right here, and you'll find it. So this is big news. We can only guess what it is, but Immutable is a great project, so it's probably going to be amazing. So purely based on the fundamentals and the momentum in the market, I would say that yes, it's the most likely scenario that at some point we will break above 1.27 and get up to 1.4. I think initially though, it's more likely that we will find some more resistance. And then what I think is going to happen is I think we'll drop down to this level between 1.17 and 1.15. And I think we're going to hold that as a support. I mean, unless Bitcoin crashes, I think we're going to hold that. And then from there, at some point in the next 5 days, I think we'll be able to break above 1.27 and get to 1.4. Even though, I mean, I must have to say it's quite a bullish and quite a positive scenario, right? So perhaps my bias is a little bit too bullish, but it seems like great news. Immutable X already taps into some narratives, so it's just a great addition to the momentum it has. And as I said, really the only thing I think that could destroy something like this is if Bitcoin right now drops down to 23,000, which is possible, but it's unlikely. All right, so that's my full analysis and take on Immutable and IMX. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.